Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, I'm Atarah. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notifications so you don't miss whenever I post a new video. And in today's video, we're gonna be using the MORPHE Fierce by Nature palette. So if you haven't seen it already, here's how the palette looks. Here's all the shades. So you've got a mixture of textures in there, mattes and shimmers. As you can see, I've gone with the browns and oranges to create this look. So if you want to see how I created it, keep watching. So my base is already done. I'm going to go into my first shade here called JOLT, and I'm going to apply that to my crease. I'm just packing the shadow on by pressing it onto my lid. I'm not blending or doing circular motions, I'm literally just pressing it on. Then I'm gonna drag it outwards. Towards the end of my brow, as if I was doing like a wing liner. Now I'm going to go in with the shade Stamina and place it right above where we've placed that darker shade in the crease. And again, I'm just pressing the colour on, I'm not blending it in yet. So it's going on top of JOLT, the darker shade, and slightly above. Extending it outwards, still doing tapping motions. Then we're going to go above that one with this shade right here called Disrupt. Again, just tapping it on and above. I'm being really light-handed. I'm not worrying about blending it in, I'm just tapping it to get the pigment on. And once I've packed the colour on, I'm gonna start to soften that edge of where the darker shade meets this lighter shade. So I'm just doing small circular motions, going along that line to soften it out. So you can do circular motions or you can do back and forth, whichever's more comfortable. You just want to take your time with blending it. Now we're going to go in with a mixture of two shades. So we're going to go into this shade right here called Savage, and then this lighter shade right here called Trance. And we're going to apply that right above where we've done that orangey brown shade, like right underneath the brow line. Just blending that colour on so that there's a nice blend from the brow line downwards. There's not like a harsh line. So now I've mixed a bit of Flame Game and Consume with my P. Louise blank canvas base. So here's how the colour looks, and I'm going to use that to cut my crease. So I've kind of cut a line out. Now I'm going to go back in and thicken up and neaten that line a little bit. And I really want that orange to pop, so I'm going to go in with a neon pigment. It's a Helen E pigment in the shade Pure Pigment 5. And I'm going to pat that right on top of where I've cut the crease. You can see how much more that orange is really standing out now. So now I'm just going to take a makeup wipe and clean up this line because I want to cut the crease again. And the reason I'm doing that is so that when I cut the crease again, there's no product underneath, because then it will start to get all like clumpy and cakey if I try and go on top of all the product underneath. So I'll clean it all off so that we can start with a fresh base to cut the crease again and really neaten up that orange line. So I'm going in again with a blank canvas just to neaten up that orange line and also apply a base for my eyelid. There we go. And I don't need to set this base because it sets itself, which is perfect. So now I'm going to go in and do a winged eyeliner and then do that orange on top of the winged eyeliner. So for the wing liner, I'm really bringing it outwards and then I'm going to bring it in. Then I'm just filling in the gaps. So now I'm going to go along my wing with this Fenty Beauty liquid liner in the shade Papaya Mama. And then I'm going to go on top of that with that same orange pigment. And going back in to neaten up my black liner. Just like that. Now we're going to add some mascara and some lashes and then do the other eye. So I've added my lashes and mascara. Now I'm going to go in with the same shades we used on the crease underneath. And then now I'm going to line my waterline with a black eyeliner. Bit of mascara. Okay, now let's do the other eye. So I finished off the other eye and I did add a bit of that orange on the inner corner, so I'm going to do the same on this side. So it's just that neon orange pigment that I used to do the CUTCREASE line. So our eyes are done. Now I'm gonna go ahead and finish off the rest of my face. So I'm just gonna add something to my lips and a bit of blush and bronzer. So I'm using my Fenty Beauty bronzer in Caramel Cutie. And I did contour, but I just want to warm up my face a bit more. And then for highlight, I'm going to actually go into this shade here called FENZY. So it's like a gold shimmery shade. We'll see how that works as highlighter. Oh yeah, that's nice. Sorry about my skin, guys. It's been so textured lately. I'll put a bit of that on my nose. Just using my one finger to apply, and then the other finger just to blend it out so it's not too harsh. And then for blush, I'm just going to randomly dip into a few of these more orangey warm shades. Just like that. Tap it off a bit. Now we're going in with a MORPHE gloss called Midnight Kiss. And that's it. This is the final look using the MORPHE Face by Nature palette. So let me know in the comments if any of you guys have ever tried this palette and what you think of it. So as usual, let me know what you guys think in the comments. Give me a thumbs up if you like it, a thumbs down if you don't. Turn on your notifications so you don't miss whenever I post a new video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'll see you on the next one. Bye guys.